How to fix Instagram music problem. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. Go to the apps and then right here click on Instagram. If you didn't find it, you can search for it in the search bar in the top. After that you need to click on force stop and then go down, click on storage. When you click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on power usage details and then right here click on app launch and turn on this option right here, manage automatically. Click OK right here. Now restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.